Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and this is a 2003 Mustang Cobra. It's only got 69,000 miles on it. The Cobra motor makes beautiful, beautiful noise. Check out the test drive video. You can check it out by typing in 2003 Mustang Cobra Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar, and you can see this thing run down the road. In this video here, we're going to walk around, point out any kind of flaws I could find on the paint, interior. I mean, this is a very clean car, so there's probably not going to be much. I'm just going to get up close. It's probably going to be a pretty short film, I would assume, because there's not a whole lot of flaws to point out. So we're going to go around the front here. Definitely check out maplemotors.com. We have financing available. We also have shipping. We can ship this car all over the nation. We do post videos every day, so hit that subscribe button. Little chip in the paint right here. Little scuff from somebody's shoe, that'll come off. There's some chips right here behind the door. A bird got me on my test drive, I assume. Same with the trunk, so sorry about that. We'll get her cleaned off right after this video. Went ahead and opened the trunk so I'm not fumbling around. It's nice and clean, nice and dry. Comes with a bag, extra stuff. Extra belt, tuner, jumper cables, all the goodies. Decent tires, SVT wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. Couple little scuffs at the bottom there, like I said, probably from people's shoes getting in and out of the car. And we've made it all the way around. Go ahead and check out the interior. I knew this was going to be a shorter film than normal. Tinted windows, nice and clean. Door panels, nice and clean. Carpet. I mean, everything just looks good in this car. Cobras in the seats. You got paperwork in the back seat too that comes with the car, everything that's been done. Headliner's in good shape. Dash is nice and clean. Go ahead and start her up. AC blows cold on this one. Nice and cold. Radio works, windshield wipers work, horn, all the good stuff. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. Definitely check out the test drive video. It runs and drives good. It sounds awesome. Picks up everything. I cut the AC off, you know, tried it out a little bit. Not getting it too hard because 69,000 mile car I'm trying to sell. So it sounds great, it runs and drives great. There's not many flaws at all. You can give us a call, 615-822-4444. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information, and hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. Be happy to help you out. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Thanks again.